Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today we have an exciting topic to discuss, the power of atomic habits. If you are someone who is looking to make positive changes in your life, this book is a game changer. So let's dive right into it. Atomic Habits is a book written by James Clear, and it's all about the small changes we can make to transform our habits and achieve remarkable results. This book emphasizes the idea that success does not come from radical changes, but rather from the cumulative impact of our daily habits. Author introduces the concept of atomic habits, which are tiny, consistent actions that compound over time and lead to a significant transformations. He breaks down the process of habit formation into 4 simple habits: cue, craving, response, and reward. First, there's the cue, which is the trigger that prompts our brain to start a habit. It could be something as simple as seeing a notification on your phone. Then comes the craving, which is the motivational force behind every habit. Next is the response, which is the actual behavior or action we take. And finally, there is the reward, which is the positive reinforcement that reinforces the habit loop. But how can we use these steps to our advantage? Well, Clear provides practical strategies and techniques throughout the book. He emphasizes the importance of making habits obvious, attractive, easy, and satisfying. By manipulating these factors, we can set ourselves up for success. For example, one strategy Clear suggests is habit stacking. This involves linking a new habit to an existing one, making it easier to remember and execute. Another powerful technique is the concept of habit tracking, where we monitor our progress visually, giving us a sense of accomplishment and motivation. Clear also dives into the importance of environment and how it can shape our habits. He encourages us to make small changes in our surroundings that will support our desired behaviors. It could be as simple as keeping a glass of water on your desk to remind yourself to stay hydrated. To wrap it up, Atomic Habits is a must-read for anyone looking to make lasting changes in their life. By focusing on small incremental improvements and understanding the science behind habit formation, we can create a positive ripple effect that leads to remarkable results. So that's all for today's video. If you enjoyed this summary of Atomic Habits, don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe to our channel for more book summaries and personal development content. And as always, remember to cultivate those atomic habits for a better you. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.